So let's look at the structure. The bacteria, like I said, they lack a nucleus, and then their DNA is basically located uh, in the cytoplasm in an area which is more uh, dark because of this concentrated. So the DNA is not found within the nucleus because there is no nucleus. Okay, so what we have is that the DNA exists in an area in the cytoplasm that we call the nucleus. Okay, so this region is usually darker than the other parts of the cytoplasm. And then they have DNA, uh, which we call the extra chromosomal DNA. These are usually circular, okay, and they are found in other regions of the bacteria. Okay, so that's why we call them extra chromosomal DNA. They also have the bacteria have ribosomes, which lack membranes around them. So we call them. We say that they lack membrane. Uh, they don't have. They are not membrane bound. Okay, the ribosomes are not membrane bound, just like what I explained earlier about with eukaryotes. And then you have the cell membrane that is surrounded by the cell wall. Now let's look at the cell wall. The cell wall is made up of what we call peptoglycan. If you can see, uh, that should remind you about proteins, and then glycan that should take you to carbohydrates, right? Yes. So these bacteria have peptoglycan in there, in the cell wall. Unlike in plants where you have cellulose, the cell walls have cellulose. Of course, like in the plants, the cell wall plays an important role in protection, but also in supporting. So it protects the bacterium from bursting, okay, but also from attack from external threats. Okay, other structures that we can talk about is the capsule, that extra covering, that this actually plays an important role in causing diseases, okay, but also plays an important role mainly for protection. And then the flagella, these are the elongated threads that you can see here. These ones here, thread-like structures, the flagella. These are very important for